Make a great choice today with the 2017 Mazda 3. The Mazda 3 meets your vehicle wants and needs. Powerful and economical, technologically savvy, and boasting top safety features, the Mazda 3 is the total package and is priced below $15,000. This vehicle has less than 75,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: blind spot monitor, heated mirrors, electronic stability control, alloy wheels, aluminum wheels, rear spoiler, brake assist, traction control, stability control, intermittent wipers. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.